The code-flexible mounting system makes it easy to create a clean, efficient scanning station anywhere you need it. Whether on a track or a wall, let's walk through how to install each configuration. Before you begin, ensure you have all components and tools. Hardware is not included, so consult your facility's engineering team for proper anchoring based on your wall or track type. Step 1. Begin by assembling the mounting components. For both setups, attach the wall plate to the mounting hardware by aligning the holes and inserting the screws. Hand tighten to keep everything flush and stable. Step 2. Next, attach the wall plate to its surface. Secure the wall plate to the wall or track surface at the desired height using the provided screws, ensuring it's level and firmly seated. Step 3. Once mounted, position the dual-tilt platform at your desired angle for comfortable, ergonomic scanner access. Tighten all screws securely to hold the platform in place. Step 4. Align the CR2700 charging base with the platform and fasten it using the provided screws. Make sure all connections are secure, snug, and stable. Both the track and wall mounting options deliver a durable, space-saving solution that keeps your scanners organized, accessible, and ready for every workflow. Contact us today to learn more.